Hello everyone, welcome to Ethics Lecture Series for OPSC Civil Services exam. First of all, we need to define the term ethics. So, एटी तार definition लिखा है that is, it may be defined as a systematic study of human actions, okay, from the point of view of their rightfulness or wrongfulness as means for attainment of ultimate happiness. So, if we analyze one definite action, so there could be two extremes, right and wrong. Different views for the same action. So if we see from the view that how much action taken is right or wrong, so the evaluation which we make that is ethics actually. General examples देखिबा जदि जने गोटे action commit करिछि regarding something he has done, तो आमे सब बेले जदि से गोटे खराब काम करथा तो कहू कि तार ethics it is not ethically wrong or ethically right. So he is at fault by ethics, we judge like that. So that is the general essence of ethics, that गोटे action टा केते right or wrong, the way we judge, that is ethics. जदि गोटे normal example देबी जेमति कि law कहूची what is wrong. Law says that committing certain actions are wrong, like चोरी करिबा is lawfully wrong. So but ethics कौन ना जदि आमे भाबुचे भी चोरी करिया पई, then we are ethically wrong. So law रे whenever the action is already taken, he is lawfully wrong. But even if he or she is thinking about some action, so that is he or she ethically right or wrong. So there is the difference, that committing the action and thinking about that action, the thought process रे ही हमार ethics टा जाना पड़े. So there are certain set of standards by the society or by an individual which guides us. जेमते कि society रे किछि norms अछि, किछि rules and regulations अछि, कहार individual rules and regulation principles थाए. Those things they helps in guiding our behavior, choices and actions, that are the ABCs. Okay, A stands for our actions, B behavior and choices. So जदि आमे etymology देखिबा, etymology means the origin of the term ethics. तो जदि Greek origin देखिबा, तो ethos in Greek means the character or habit or the customs, and ethics also known as moral philosophy. So we can say ethics is a kind of branch of philosophy which is known as moral philosophy. And mores Latin रो जदि origin देखिबा, तो mores also means the same, that is character or behavior or any kind of customs. So this is the origin of the term ethics. तो ethics evolution देखिबा, historically से sociopolitically केमती evolution है ethics रा. तो if we see the western arena, western world रे ethics रा जदि origin देखिबा, तो 5th century BC रे आमे देखिपारिबा appearance of Socrates is there. Socrates was a philosopher, and after him Plato and Aristotle also came, and these were the initial thinkers who talked about ethics. What are the general ethics of a human or a society. Then there are some medieval thinkers also. After them they came, and in modern thinkers we can see there was Bacon, Descartes, that is Rene Descartes. Then Hume was there, David Hume, and Kant, somewhere some famous philosophers who talked about ethics. Then next we come to scope of ethics. Okay, so scope of ethics, and that ethics usually deals with the voluntary actions. Voluntary and involuntary actions रे difference होची. Voluntary जोटा आमे निजे स्व इच्छा रे जोटा करिथाउ, but involuntary जेमति कि हमर digestion होची, so that is involuntary. आमे जदि चाहिबानी भी ताहले भी digestion हबा. After we eat something, the digestion process takes for 3 to 4 hours usually. So even if we don't want to digest our food, but automatically the body will do that. So that are involuntary actions. The ethics actually deals with the voluntary actions of human. So there are two major terms, that is human actions and actions of human. This is बहुत जनाशुना लगुच दीटाक, that human actions and actions of human. बट दीज आर डिफरेंट. ह्यूमन एक्शंस कौन जोटा कि आम कॉन्शियस माइंड रे डेलिबरेटली करूँ टू अचीव एन एंड और गोल, दैट इज अ वॉल्यूंटरी process. Human actions, but actions of human are they may not be willfully or voluntary or consciously done. Basic difference between human actions and actions of human, that human actions are voluntary and actions of human are involuntary. Like digestion जोटा कि animals मानकर भी होचे, actions of animals we can say. So same like actions of human, those were involuntarily done. But ethics actually generally deals with the human actions that are voluntary, not with the involuntary actions. कहार डाइजेशन भलसे होनी आम कहूँ कि तार एथिक्स खराब अच्छे, बट द थिंग्स which we do consciously, that those things were being judged by ethics. So ethics deals with human actions, but there is a difference between ethics and morality. So these terms seem similar, but ethics and morality difference होची that ethics is a general consensus that these things are right and these things are wrong, but morality that can vary individually, that is subjective. We can say ethics is objective in nature. There are certain set of standards set by individual or society, but morality is depends on the specific subject, that is the individual, that how he is moral or immoral. So morality can be individual set of commitments even when they are rejected by others. जो जिनसटा मत भल लगुच से आउ क्या मे बी इमोराल लगिपे, जमतीकि गोटे फूड लेट से थुआई एंड मुझे खाइबी बिकज मो पाखे पैसा अच्छी मु कि खाइली, दैट इज समवन्स taking someone others food is morally wrong for me. But if anyone suffering with hunger and not having any kind of money or any other source of food, he or she will take it, that is not morally wrong for him, but he at that time he thought that I should take this food. So these are situational, these are subjective in nature, they vary according to the individual. So morality is different from ethics. Then we see determinants of ethics. Determinants माने होची कि what all the things determine the ethics. तो गोटे पर्सन रो एथिक्स रे तीनटा मेन इन्फ्लुएंस थाए. इंडिविजुअल पर्सनल ट्रेट्स, तार निजर पर्सनालिटी केमती, देन कल्चर और कंट्री ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, डिफरेंट कंट्री रे डिफरेंट एथिक्स प्ले करे. जमती कि बहुत गुड़े कंट्रीज अच्छी एडवांस कंट्रीज जोटि कि वोमेन एम्पावरमेंट बहुत ऊपर अच्छी, वोमेन मानकर वैल्यूज बहुत अधिका. बट एमती किसी मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्रीज देखा जोटि कि वोमेन मानक एते फ्रीडम नाही एंड दे वेर थॉट एज ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओनली. So there will be different ethics for different actions, and organization and industry we work with at the adult level, all these things influence our ethics at individual level. Then next comes ethics in human actions, and we already talked about that human actions and actions of human, only the difference in voluntary and involuntary in nature. The humans are generally evaluative in nature. When they see an act of human, the other persons, they start evaluating how much it is wrong or right. So ethics generally studies human behavior and tries to determine whether the act performed was morally right or wrong. So all this we already discussed. Human acts constituted by two elements. First of all, the intellectual element, which is our knowledge, the previous knowledge, जहाँ ऊपर की बेस करके आमे हमर ethics को फॉर्म करूँ. आमे जाने कि एल्डर्स मान को रेस्पेक्ट दबा दरकार. सो जोटा कि हमर इंटेलेक्चुअल एलिमेंट आमको छुआ बेले शिखाई नॉलेज दिखाई कि गुरुजन मान को respect दबा कथा. So that is our intellectual element. But the volatile element is the free will. Whether we want to give respect to the elders or not, that is our free will, individual's free will. So human acts, actually human जहाँ भी actions नोचे, they have two elements, deciding elements. One is his or her intellectual element, and the second one is the volatile element. Then next we come to the value system. Ethics are regular, then we come to our values. So गोटे वैल्यू जिते डेभलप करे वैल्यू कौन नैतिकता जोटा कि आम ओडिया कहे मोरालिटी भी सेम काइंड ऑफ थिंग बट वी विल डिस्कस द डिफरेंस तो वैल्यू सिस्टम जोटा कि देयर आर सेवरल स्टेजेस ऑफ पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट इन अ ह्यूमन जोटा कि गोटे आमर इनफांट स्टेज इनफांट तो आम वैल्यू एक्वायर करूनी जोटा कि अर्ली चाइल्डहुड वी कैन से अर्ली चाइल्डहुड देन एडोलेसेंस and then adulthood. Usually these are three stages where a personality is developed and जो प्रकार पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट आमर होची आमर बिहेवियर्स भी ता ऊपर डिपेंड करूची कि आमे को प्रकार वैल्यूज अडॉप्ट करिचो अर्ली लाइफ रे एडल्टहुड रे एंड एडोलेसेंस स्टेज रे तो जदि गोटे वैल्यूज आमर जदि माने पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट ड्यूरिंग जदि आम भल वैल्यूज पाइचु तो स्टार्ट हुए कौटू ना फैमिली लेवल रू जदि आमको वैल्यूज गुड़ाक बहुत भल मिली दैट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वैल्यू सिस्टम वी हैव देन इट डिफाइन्स आवर कैरेक्टर हाउ अ पर्सन विल बी हाउ हिज और हर कैरेक्टर विल बी इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द वैल्यू सिस्टम ही और शी हैज बीन एक्सपोज टू अर्लियर देन जदि आमर कैरेक्टर गोटे डिफाइन होची देन वी generally follow a specific code of conduct and that will ultimately determine our behavior. So value leads to character, then our code of conduct, and then that will reflect in our behavior. So values can be defined as set of standards of human conduct which are important for human based on human preferences, beliefs or knowledge. So it is a set of standards of human conduct, our values, and these are gradually developed in a person with certain inputs at different levels. And values, if we see, that can be divided into core values and peripheral values. Like core values are universal in nature, they are found in everyone, and like love, compassion, तो आमे बहुत थर कहू कि देयर इज लैक ऑफ लव और कंपैशन इन सम पर्सन्स बट अल्टीमेटली deep down somewhere there is love but they are unable to express, we can say. So these are our core values of human nature. But peripheral values jota ki change with time and space, like truthfulness, we can't remain truthful always. Sometimes there are certain situations जोटा कि हमको मिछ कहिकी भी situation को balance करने को पड़े. So these are peripheral values which change according to time and space, but our core values remain undisturbed always. And values can also be divided as the personal values and social values. Personal values are important for individual well-being, like self-respect, freedom, leading a luxurious life, all these things that can be a personal value. But social value, these are important for well-being of all, for people's well-being, like equality, justice, peace, fraternity, integrity, everything. These things are our social values which is needed for a good society. Then ethics and values we have covered. Then we come to another term, that is morals. Morals we already discussed earlier, that moral is different from ethics, that ethics is a social consensus standard, but moral is variable according to a individual. It is subjective in nature. It is standards of individuals for right and wrong. जोटा मो जो स्टैंडर्ड थी सेटा आउ जन से सेम स्टैंडर्ड नथिबो, दैट इज माय मोरालिटी. बेले बेले मोरालिटी ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आसे दैट ए और बी दैट पर्सन हैज इज इमोरल और ही इज मोरली वेरी एक्टिव. सो सेटा इंडिविजुअल लेवल रे क्वेश्चन आसे, दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गुडनेस कि गोटे लोकटे केते गुड और बैड, लाइक ऑनेस्टी, इंटीग्रिटी, एगुड़ा कौन ना सोसाइटी सेट करेनि. गोटे इंडिविजुअल केते मोरली राइट और रॉन्ग, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंडिविजुअल प्रिंसिपल्स. सो आम जो देखा डिटेल तार डिफरेन्सेस एथिक्स एंड मोरल्स, तो एथिक्स इज स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ ह्यूमन कंडक्ट that society adopts for itself. Society adopts, but morals are the principles of right and wrong held by an individual. Then ethics, it is a set of do's or don'ts that govern human conduct in a social setting, and these are uniform in nature. But morals are self-regulating in personal life, and it varies according to person to person, subjective in nature. So three terms we already discussed. These are ethics, values and morality, that is morals. Okay, these three should be cleared, and jodi kichhi alga doubt rochi to we can go through, you can go through books and Wikipedia and internet and see. Next गोटे concept अच्छी ए chapter, that is leader, administrator and reformer. ए तीनटा भितर differences कौन? तो आम जदि गोटे लीडर को डिफाइन करवा तो लीडर एक्सरसाइजेस हाई लेवल ऑफ कॉन्सेप्चुअल स्किल्स एंड डिसिसिवनेस. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गोटे तो हूँ कॉन्सेप्चुअल स्किल प्लस डिसिसिवनेस, आई मीन डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेसिटी. तो गोटे लीडर डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेसिटी बहुत अधिक थाए. दे यूजुअली लीड अ ग्रुप और अ मास. तो तांकर से कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटीटा से अधिक रहा दरकार एमंग दैट मास, एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर बहुत अधिक रहा दरकार. तो यूजुअली दे हैव सम क्वालिटीज लाइक एनविजनिंग मिशन. दे एनविजन अ मिशन, से गोटे मिशन को दृष्टि रखते and they develop strategy according to that mission, and they inspire people. like गोटे लीडर कहबो तो 100 जन उठी जिवे, ठीक अच्छे. दैट इज द क्वालिटी इंस्पायरिंग पीपल एंड चेंजिंग कल्चर. लाइक एग्जांपल आम नहीं पारिबा महात्मा गांधी, नेल्सन मंडेला, जी कि आमर अपार्थेड सिस्टम को हटेइथिले. नेल्सन मंडेला साउथ इंडियन फ्रीडम मूवमेंट रे, महात्मा गांधी आवर नेशनल हीरो and also contributed to our national freedom fighting, and also others are Martin Luther King Jr. and Aung San Suu Kyi. These are some leaders and they all exercise the conceptual skills and decisiveness power. But what is the difference with the administrator? Administrator is different from leader. Like leader exercises a great role in leading the masses, but administrator is not a leader in true sense. He is a group worker and who exercises some greater power, but he has to work with the mass or the group. He is responsible for carrying out administration, that is the process of working with and through others, that is working with and through others to accomplish the agreed goals efficiently. He doesn't lead the group, but he actually works in tandem with all the workers in his dispense. So administrator is different from leader, and administrator usually plans, then he organizes and he leads and controls the mass, but he is different from the leader. आम जो देखा कि रिलीजियस रिफॉर्मर्स लाइक कबीर एंड गुरु नानक देव, एंड पॉलिटिकल रिफॉर्मर्स लाइक महात्मा गांधी वी कैन से. देन वैल्यू जोटा आम देखले गोटे सेट ऑफ कंडक्ट आम जोटा कि थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ डेभलप करि थाउ. तो आमर जो वैल्यूज, तो गोटे छुआर वैल्यूज इनकलकेट करिवारे कहार कहार कौन रोल्स अच्छे आम देखा. The role of family, that is the first and major agency in inculcating values. So it sets patterns for child's attitude where the attitude is developed. तो गोटे फैमिली रे ही फर्स्ट एंड मेजर एजेंसी जहाँकि आमको ट्रेनिंग मिली थाए फॉर सेटिंग ए पैटर्न फॉर आवर एटीट्यूड. देन सोसाइटी इज द सोसाइटी रोल हूँ. सोसाइटी इज द अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ पीपल्स कैरेक्टर. ये आमर एटीट्यूड सेट है, सोसाइटी रे आमर कैरेक्टर बिल्डअप होचे. एंड एजुकेशन रोल भी बहुत अधिक, जोटा कि आमर लर्निंग स्टेज रे आमको एजुकेशन बहुत वैल्यूज इनकलकेट करे. एंड एडजस्टमेंट एबिलिटी, जोटा कि आमर चेंजिंग सिचुएशन एंड एनवायरनमेंट को जो एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटी, जोटा कि आम गोटे फैमिली रू जाऊे एजुकेशन सेटअप को, तो से जो चेंजिंग एडाप्टेशन जो करुचे चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट, से आमको एजुकेशन द्वारा शिखा को मिलता है. So this is all about ethics and human interface. Next chapter रे आमे देखिबा attitude केंते डेवलप करे, attitude रो components कोना, and all these things we will see in the next video. This is about the first chapter of ethics, which is ethics and human interface. Thank you.